Hey Curly Tees! Today we're making a cold process conditioning moisturizer with Amla and black seed. It's easily absorbed into the hair to improve strength and shine. Black cumin seed oil is said to help fight off dandruff and is thought to improve dry scalp. Amla, of course, is said to help strengthen hair, improve shine, and fight off breakage. Now, to show the usage of distilled water on camera, I fill and refill a smaller container and use it as necessary. It's much more convenient than pouring from a big gallon jug. Betaine is glycine betaine or sugar beet extract. It's a great humectant, assuming you can find a high quality version of it. I use a modified frother. I simply pulled the spring part off completely because I didn't need it. Mix until it looks smooth and not starchy. Like if it looks like clear mashed potatoes, keep mixing. Oh, girl, that's too much. Wait a minute. Polyquaternium 7 is being added to this formula to improve the conditioning and the protective qualities, especially for those with high porosity hair like mine. It has anti-static and detangling properties, and according to makingcosmetics.com, does not build up on the scalp. Now, adding Polyquat 7 helped make this formula actually feel better on my hair because, like I said, I have high porosity hair. My hair feels less dry for longer. Okay, hear me out. YouTube, stay tripping. This channel is not monetized, thus and therefore, members at CURLYTEA.com have access to the full videos, instructions, ingredient list, and my notes. So come join us today. This particular mix is best used on damp or wet hair. I've tried it on dry, damp, and wet hair, and I noticed a benefit to applying it when the hair is already wet. There it is. The final product is smooth and glossy, absorbs quickly, and doesn't feel draggy or sticky. Alright, I opened the jar and gave it one last mix with the frother and checked the pH. It has a shiny, creamy, but not heavy feeling, and is quite easy to apply. So enjoy this conditioning cream, and all you have to do is combine the ingredients at room temperature, so no heating. As always, you know the spiel. Don't forget to visit CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY formulas and recipes, including the full ingredients list, instructions, my notes, and other information. Follow on social media or become a patron at Patreon if that's more convenient for you. I'll talk to you guys soon.